lunch break. Time to go check on the chickens. I am just extremely tired today. And it rained this morning, so we are good for the garden. Does not need to be watered. Hi. What are y'all doing, huh? Y'all want some snacks? Okay, no fighting. I'll get them. Don't get up there. All right, let's fix your water. All right, girlies, I love y'all. And go back inside and just lay around. I'm in some kind of weird funk today. Almost like I feel depressed, but I'm not. I cannot wait to paint all of this.